I've had quite a lot of feedback and questions from listeners about hydrogen because people are wondering what technology to invest in. Offers are multiplying and we don't know what type of motorization will be allowed in cities in the coming years. I imagine buying an electric vehicle and in 2 years, bang! Impossible to sell because hydrogen is the new star. You'd be bummed.
Yes, I understand these kind of questions, but it's unrealistic. First, because hydrogen is already in use in the field of commercial vehicles. It's convenient, you can travel long distances, and the space on board is preserved.
For my part, I've read that hydrogen stations are rare because infrastructures are extremely expensive.
That's why we only find them around major logistics hubs for transport professionals.
In fact, the network of electric charging stations is much easier to deploy and will therefore grow very quickly.
Oh my, you really do master your subject, my friend.
Go ahead, you're laughing there. We'll see if you're so well versed.
Go ahead.
The V2G. V2G, does that mean anything to you?
Nope, no idea.
So hang on tight because this is the kind of the future of electric cars.
What is V2G?
Vehicle to grid, from the car to the wholesale grid.
And what does it mean?
What's important is that it's not necessarily when wind turbines run and make electricity that people consume it. They'd rather use it at night, to run a washing machine, for example. The idea would be to store this energy and return it at the right time. Well, in the future, your car will take care of it. When it is plugged in, it will recover green energy when it is produced and redistribute it to the grid when it needs it.
All right. So actually, if you want to use my car and my battery is flat, it's because you've done some laundry. Thank you, Pierre.
Not at all. Everything will be calculated so that you always have enough energy left.
Well, I have no words. You amaze me. Well done.
You know what? I think I'm going to do this hydrogen show.
Of course, and that way you can tell listeners electric cars are the future of mobility. Would you like to drink my juice?